Alright, good day everyone. Welcome back to class. So now question 18, we are asked to solve the simultaneous equation x over 2 plus y over 4 equal to 1, x over 3 minus y over 4 equal to minus 1 over 6. So quickly, let's solve it together everyone. Solution: x over 2 plus y over 4 equal to 1, and x over 3 minus y over 4 equal to minus 1 over 6. Alright, so because of the two variables, there is a simultaneous equation. So what we do is to clear this fraction. From the first one, we take the LCM of the denominator, and the LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So what we do now is to multiply this one by 4. So you say times 4 times x over 2 plus 4 times y over 4 equal to 4 times 1. Alright, so this here, this will give us 2, so we have 2x plus this, we go with this, we have y equal to 4 times 1 will give us 1. So we have forward equation 1. Alright, from the first one. So from the second one, the LCM of 3, 4, and 6 is 12. The LCM of 3, 4, and 6. So LCM of 3, 4, and 6 is 12. So what we do again, we multiply 2 by 12. So you have 12 times x over 3 minus y over 4 times 12 equal to 12 into minus 1 over 6. So this here will give me 3, this here will give me 4, 6 here 1, 6 here will give me 2. So I have 4x minus 3 times y, I have minus 3y equal to 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. So this is equation 2. Okay? So what we do now is for us to solve them simultaneously. So let's go. We have the first one is 2x plus y equal to 4, equation 1. And we have a 4x minus 3y equal to minus 2, equation 2. Alright. So quickly, we have various methods we can use in solving this simultaneous equation, linear equation. So, but let's just take elimination method. So quickly, let's make this x, let's make them equal. So we say times 2 here and times 1 here. So that here will be 4x, here will be what? 4x. So this first one will be 2 times 2, 4x plus 2y equal to 8. 2 times 4 is 8. So 1 times 4, 4x minus 3y equal to minus 2. So this is equation 3, and this is equation 4. So quickly, you say equation 3 minus equation 4. This equation 3 minus this one. So 4 minus 4x. Because we are eliminating x. So that's why we say minus. If you say plus, there will be 4 plus 4, which is 8. So elimination is minus here to give us 0. So 4 minus 4 is what? 0. Plus 2 minus minus 3 will give me plus 5. 8 minus minus 2 will give me 10. Alright, it's 8 plus what? 2. So I have 5y equal to 10. So quickly 5 here, 1, 5 here, we have 2. So the value of y is what? 2. Okay, quickly substitute y equal to 2 into equation 1. Into equation 1. So equation 1 is 2x plus y equal to 4. So we have in place of y, we put 2 equal to 4. So 2x is equal to 4. When this constant here goes to this side, it becomes minus what? 2. So we have 2x equal to 2. So x, this will go with this. So x is equal to 1. So the two variables, the values are x comma y is equal to 1. X is 1, 1 comma 2. So the value of x and y is 1 and 2. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next video. If you have not subscribed to our channel, do well to subscribe. Contact us for more information. God bless you.